ॐ वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अस्तु, let us get started with our class. Okay, can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
So just like the last couple of classes, let's start with Subhashita. Okay, the first name on my list is Vijay Meenan Mahodaya. Can you please read what's on the screen?
Okay, Subhashitani Pancha. Pradoshe Deepakar Karaschandra Pradoshe Deepakarashchandra Prabhate Deepako Ravihi Trailokye Deepako Dharmaha Suputraha Kuladipakaha.
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः। So प्रदोषे दीपकरश्चन्द्रः प्रभाते दीपको रविः त्रैलोक्ये दीपको धर्मः सुपुत्रः कुलदीपकः। Pradoshe, we saw A ending, right? A endings in the last class. So usually what does A endings mean? In or on.
In on.
So does anybody know what Pradosha is? What is Pradosha?
Today is Pradosha.
Is it after this thing?
When it's
Sunset.
dark, twilight?
Twilight. Before it is not completely dark, but the sun is also not there. So Pradoshe, in Pradosha, Deepakaraha Chandraha.
Light is given by the moon.
Light is given by the moon. Uttamam. Prabhate.
Is Pradoshe after your this thing? What is that? Fasting, Ekadashi fasting. Dwadashi is Pradoshe.
Pradosha, yeah, correct. Today is Pradosha.
That I don't.
Ekadashi, Dwadashi is Pradosham, I think.
Okay. But in this case, and normally Pradosha is referred to, twilight is referred to as Pradosha. After the sun sets and before moon comes.
So on Dwadashi day, during the Pradosha period,
Pradosham
Shiva Puja is
day
done.
is okay, but today generally Pradosham means the twilight.
Correct. So
Twilight
on
part of the day. Okay.
correct. On Dwadashi, I think Pradosham is important.
Okay. Anyway, here Pradosha is referring to twilight. So when it is twilight, when it is not, there is no light, at that time Chandra, the moon, is a source of light. So let's move to the next one. Prabhate. Prabhate is
Morning, early morning.
in the morning. In morning. Prabhate Deepakah.
Banu Mahodaya. Prabhata is similar to Arunodaya. Just before Suryodaya comes Arunodaya.
Satyam. In the morning. So here we don't need to take the literal meaning of everything. Here in the morning time. So in the daytime, Ravihi, who is the
sunlight.
he is the source of, he is the Deepakaha, he is the light.
Okay.
Trilokye.
Everyone's voice is breaking.
Yeah. Can everybody mute?
Voice is breaking.
Okay. Can anybody hear me?
Yes.
I can hear you. His voice is breaking. Whoever said their voice.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have no problem, Banu Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Arvind Mahodaya, धन्यवाद.
Usha Mahodaya, please mute your.
Yeah. Okay. Trilokye, Trividya Mahodaya, Trilokye. What do you think it means?
Trilokye, in 3 worlds.
In 3 worlds. Lokye, we saw A, right? So in or on the 3 worlds. In 3 worlds. Deepakaha Dharma. So Dharma is the light in all 3 worlds. Suputraha, Prashant Mahodaya. Suputraha. What is Suputraha?
Suputra is the son.
A good son. Putraha is son. Suputraha is a good son. Kuladipakaha. Kuladipakaha is the light of the family or the tribe or the group that son belongs to. And here again, we don't need to take Suputra means only son. What about daughter? That's not the point. A child who is a good child is the light of the family. So in the twilight time, the moon is the light. In the daytime, the sun is the light. In the 3 worlds, Dharma is the light. And a good child is the light of the family. That's how we should read it.
Yes.
Yes, clear?
Can you just repeat it once more, but a little bit slow?
Okay.
Pradoshe, I didn't understand. I'm sorry. I didn't understand the meaning of Pradoshe.
Twilight, in the twilight.
Twilight. Thank you.
In the twilight, moon is the source of light. In the daytime, sun is the source of light. In the 3 worlds, Dharma is the source of light. And a good child is the source of light for the entire family.
Now it's clear.
Banu Mahodaya, you can also say dawn and dusk.
Dawn and yeah, let's not go with literal meaning. Here, get the gist of what the Subhash is saying. Astu. Usha Mahodaya, you are next on my list. Please read this.
Mattam Pramattamunmattam.
Pramattam Unmattam.
Pramattamunmattam. Suptam. Balam. Striyam. Jadam. Prabannam. Viratham. Biram. Na. Ripun. Bitam. Na. Ripum. Hanti. Dharmavit.
Dharmavit. Mattam, Pramattam, Unmattam, Suptam, Balam, Striyam, Jadam, Prapannam, Viratham, Jitam, Naripum, Hanti, Dharmavat. So, here we have seen Hanti before, right? Hanti is what, Usha Mahodaya?
To kill, destroy?
To kill. So that is the Kriya Pada. Dharmavit is the Karta, a person who follows Dharma. Na Hanti, a person who follows Dharma does not kill. So we got karta, we got kriya, and in this shloka, every other word is a karma.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So far in our examples, we have seen one karta, one karma, one kriya. In this shloka, there is one karta, one kriya, but everything else is a karma pada. So let us look at what each of those means. Mattam. Mattam is somebody who is intoxicated, drunk. Pramattam. So the second word is a composition of two different words. Pramattam, unmattam. So pramattam is a person who is who is careless, who is not careful. Unmattam. Unmattam is anybody?
It's
Insane.
mad.
Mad.
Insane.
Mad, insane. Correct. Suptam. Sleeping. Somebody
Who's sleeping?
sleeping. Uttamam. Balam.
Boy.
Boy.
Boy,
Striyam.
Ladies.
A woman.
lady,
Jadam.
lazy guy.
I'm lazy, inert.
Here, foolish. Foolish. Here, one of the other meanings is foolish. Lazy is also one of the meanings. Prapannam. Prapannam.
Pleasant.
Whose voice?
We see Prapannam in many shlokas, including Venkateshwara Suprabhatam.
Whose voice?
Parijataya.
Who seeks the who asks for Sharanagati, who asks for who surrenders himself to
Devotees.
not devotee, who surrenders himself.
Prapanna Parijataya.
Prapanna Parijataya. Viratham. Ratham, Viratham. Somebody who does not have a chariot. Bhitam comes from Bhiti. Bhiti is
Scared.
fear. Bhitam. Ripum. We saw Ripum many times.
Enemy.
Ripu.
Enemy.
Uttam. So if we rearrange the words, Dharmavit. Yes, Viraj Mahodaya.
Viratam, generally we have Vairagyam type of word also, right? Is it?
Virakti.
That is
current.
Vritti or Virati?
this is Viratham. That is Viraktam.
Ratha. I think what you are referring to is Viraktam.
I was just saying whether that Viratam meaning is similar to that or not. Because Ratam may not be contextual, right? Yeah.
Okay, here it is contextual. The one who is without a ratha, one who is without a chariot. So basically, the context is this is taken from Bhagavatam. This is the shloka. So Dronacharya's son Ashwatthama goes and kills all of the Pandavas' 5 sons, young boys basically. So Arjuna then goes and defeats Ashwatthama, and he then has to decide whether to kill Ashwatthama or not. So at that time, Sri Krishna says this. So what he says is, Dharmavis, a person who knows Dharma, na hanti, does not kill. Whom he does not kill, mattam, pramattam, unmattam, suptam, balam, striyam, jadam, prapannam, viratham, bhitam, ripum. So an enemy who falls into any of these categories. So an enemy who is intoxicated, who is foolish, who is careless, who is sleeping, who is a child, who is a woman, careless, who has surrendered, who is without a chariot, who is afraid. So any of these types of person, an enemy, if he falls into any of these categories, A person who knows dharma will not kill such an enemy.
महोदय कृपया प्रमत्तम् अर्थं वदतु.
Pramattam is careless, Mahoday. अहं न जानामि कन्नड भाषया अस्ति न अस्ति, तेलुगु भाषया अप्रमत्तम् इति अस्ति. अप्रमत्तम्. So elders caution people, be apramattam, be careful. So apramattam. Pramattam is careless. Apramattam is the opposite of that, careful. So pramattam is careless.
Thank you. धन्यवादः महोदय.
Udasina.
Udasina na Mahoday, careless.
Okay.
So usually parents caution their children, be apramattam, or when they are traveling, they say, be careful of your surroundings. Don't leave your passport here, don't leave your bag here, there. Usually when children go travel, or when elderly people travel, or anybody who travels, people say, be with apramattam, be with caution, be with care.
You can say jagrita. You need to be jagrita.
Be careful.
How do you do the anvaya of this, Mahodaya?
We will come to that. That will be one of your homeworks when we learn how to do anvaya.
Okay.
For now, let us learn the meanings and how we use whatever we have learned in Subhashita. So we learned how to use karma pada, and here we are using karma pada, many karma padas in a sentence. Any questions about the meaning of the Subhashita, of this shloka?
Dharmavit means?
Dharmavit is any person who is with dharma, who has dharma, a dharmic person, who knows, somebody who knows dharma.
Dhanyavada.
Mahodaya, can you please repeat the meaning of the whole sentence?
Dharmavit, a person who knows dharma, na hanti, does not kill, ripum, an enemy, who is mattam, intoxicated, pramattam, careless, unmattam, who is insane, suktam, who is sleeping, balam, a child, triyam, a woman, jadam, foolish, prapannam, somebody who has surrendered, viratham, one who has no chariot, bhitam, one who is afraid.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
So nowadays we see Geneva Convention talking about some of these things, but we had this like whenever Sri Krishna was there, 5,000, 6,000 years ago. Anything else before we proceed? So, based on what I have seen in the homework, it looks like we need some more abhyasa with the karma pada, especially when it is in bahuvachana. So let us try that. In my list, Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya.
Yes.
So whatever is in the bracket, use that in the karma pada form. Balakaha, whatever this.
Balakaha grantham padati.
Uttamam. Balakaha grantham padati. Astu. Meera Mahodaya. So here, grantham instead of granthaha, we have bahuvachana. Granthaha.
Balakaha granthan patati.
Balakaha granthan patati. Why granthan?
Because it's a plural form of karma pada.
Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana pullinga.
Karma pada. Uttamam. Uttamam. And why not pathanti? Why pathati?
Because balakaha is singular. It is ekavachana, pullinga shabda. So the kriya padam follows the kartru padam.
Uttamam. So the vachana of the kriya padam, whether it is ekavachana or bahuvachana, depends on the vachana of the karta. So karta here is in ekavachana. So the kriya also will be in ekavachana. It does not depend on whether the karma pada is in ekavachana or bahuvachana. So karma pada is immaterial for determining whether the kriya pada is in ekavachana or bahuvachana. Only the karta's vachana will decide the kriya's vachana. Clear? Narayanan Mahoday.
Balakaha grantham patanti.
Balakaha grantham patanti. So why patanti here?
Balakaha, plural. Bahuvachana.
Balakaha is bahuvachana. So bahuvachana of patati is patanti.
Pullinga bahuvachana.
Which one?
Balakaha.
Balakaha pullinga bahuvachana. Uttama. Shekhar Mahoday.
Banu Mahadaya, instead of balakaha, if there is a balikaha, also patanti, right? It doesn't matter pullinga or strilinga, patanti.
So the kriya pada will be the same for pullinga or strilinga or napumsakalinga. It does not change. First, Shekhar
Balakaha. Balakaha granthan patanti.
Balakaha granthan patanti. Okay. Can you tell us why it is patanti?
Balakaha is bahuvachanam. Patanti is so patanti is bahuvachanam.
Uttama.
Granthan also bahuvachanam.
No. Let's not, again, the whole exercise is to show you that karma padam does not matter, whether it is grantham in the third sentence or granthan in the fourth sentence. Balakaha determines whether it is patanti or patati. Balakaha is patati, balakaha patanti. So let us ignore the karma padam. Manjula Mahoday.
Mahila parvataha arohati.
So if you convert parvataha to karma padam.
Parvatam.
Mahila. So entire sentence will be
Mahila parvatam arohati.
Mahila parvatam arohati. And here, why are we using this makara instead of anuspara?
Atohaha will, if the preceding word is from atohaha, it is the
makara. Preceding na succeeding. If the next letter is a swara, then this will be a makara instead of anuspara. Uttama. Viraj Mahoday.
Parvatam arohati.
I could not hear it. Can you repeat, please?
Mahila parvataha arohati.
Parvataha is the
object. Okay. Parvatan.
So entire sentence is
Mahila parvatan arohati.
Mahila parvatan arohati.
Strilinga ekavachana, so arohati ekavachana.
Chaitra Mahoday.
Mahilaha parvatam arohanti. That should be arohanti, right?
So look at it. It's in the bracket. So it's up to you to tell me what it is, Arohati or Arohanti.
Mahilaha is Bahuvachana Strilinga and Parvatam, then Arohanti. Yeah, because Arohanti is also Bahuvachana, the Kriya Pada.
So Arohanti depends on Mahila or Mahilaha. Uttama. Karta. Uttama.
Mahalanta, because the following letter is a swara A, hence we have Mahalanta in Parvatam.
It's called Makara. Bhagya Mahodaya.
Mahilaha Parvatan Arohanti.
Mahilaha Parvatan Arohanti. Uttama. Reena Mahodaya, do you follow why this is Mahilaha Parvatan Arohanti?
I wouldn't be able to explain that more.
Okay, you missed, you might have missed the class. Okay, no problem. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Yes.
Yeah, basically why this sentence is the way it is.
Because Arohanti is the Kriya and the it will be Bahuvachan, Ekvachan based on Karta, which is Mahilaha. So Mahilaha is Bahuvachan, so the Kriya is also Bahuvachan. And yeah.
Here Parvataha is there, so that's why the karma will be Parvata. Okay, do this Mahodaya, Sandeep Mahodaya.
Gajaha Simham Pashyati.
Gajaha Simham Pashyati. Uttamam. Aravind Mahodaya.
Sorry, I have to do something more.
Aravind Mahodaya, are you still there? Okay, I don't see him. Okay. Prashant Mahodaya.
Gaja Sinham Pashyanti.
Gajaha, repeat please.
Gajaha Sinham Pashyanti. Gaja is plural, that's why Pashyanti.
So let's start using Ekavachana and Bahuvachana instead of singular and plural. That way we get used to the Samskritam term. Gajaha Simham Pashyanti. Uttamam. Hemanti Mahodaya. Hemanti Mahodaya.
Okay. Gajaha Sihan Pashyanti.
Gajaha Simhan Pashyanti. Rama Mahodaya.
Gajaha Simham Pashyati.
Here it is Bahuvachana Simhaha. So
Simha Gaja is only, Karmi is only one.
Bahuvachana Simhaha. So
Simha Pashyanti. Simhan.
Simhan. So the whole
Simhan
sentence.
Pashyati.
Gajaha
Simhan Pashyati.
Gajaha Simhan Pashyati. Uttamam.
Pashyati.
Okay. Ranjani Mahodaya.
Bhaktaha Devaha Namati. Bhaktaha Devam Namanti. Bhaktaha is the Bahuvachana. So Namanti will be the I don't know how to explain that. Yeah.
Try in your own words. This is Bahuvachana.
Yeah,
so Kriya Pada will also be in Bahuvachana.
The Bahuvachana. So, you see, the one thing that I always get confused is this Devam. Okay, I know it is Devam, but I don't know when it is Devan. You know, in the previous examples, when you were showing Grantham, Granthan, Like when do you do this granthan?
So here, look at here in the brackets. In the first sentence, it is granthaha. In the second sentence, it is granthaha.
Oh, because it is plural.
Bahuvachanam. So here it is Bahuvachanam. So that's why when we convert it into Karma Padam, it will become Granthan.
Okay, got it. Bahuvachanam.
Clear, Mahoday?
Very clear. Yeah, thank you.
And Ranjani Mahoday, why it is Devam with Anuswara? Why is the dot on the top? Why is there is no Makara after Va?
Because, the if it was, I don't know the name of, if it was that, then you put a Devama in there. Because you don't have that, then you put the dot on the top.
Uttama. So the dot on the top.
What do you call the ES, the vowels? What do you call it?
Swara. Consonant is Vyanjana. This dot is called Anuswara. And the Ma with the Halanta is Makara. So that is why I keep saying, let us start using Sanskritam terms so that by the time we go to 20th class or 30th class, all of these become easy. Rachana Mahoday.
Bhaktah Devaha Namati. Bhaktah
Devaha, not Devaha here.
Oh, sorry. Bhaktah Devan Namati.
Uttamam. Bhaktah Devan Namati.
Devan Namati.
Uttamam Mahoday. Surendra Mahoday.
Bhaktaha Devan Namanti.
Bhaktaha Devan Namanti. Uttamam. Ami Mahoday.
Bhaktaha Devam Namati.
Bhaktaha Devam Namati. Uttamam. Madhu Mahoday. Are you new to the class, Mahoday? Adhuri
Yes.
Mahoday?
Yes, I'm from morning batch.
Oh, okay. Astu. Please carry on.
Abhyasan likhanti.
I could not hear you. Can you repeat?
Chhatraha abhyasan likhanti.
Chhatraha abhyasan likhanti. Uttamam. Kavita Mahoday.
Chhatraha abhyasam likhanti.
Chhatraha abhyasam likhanti. Uttamam. Bala Mahoday. Bala Mahoday. Okay. We'll come back to you, Mahoday. Bhavani Mahoday.
Chhatra abhyasam likhati.
Chhatra abhyasam likhati. Uttamam. Vijay Sundaram Mahoday.
Chhatra abhyasaha likhanti.
Here abhyasaha. So chhatra is ekavachanam. So this will be
Likhati.
And abhyasaha in karma padam will become
Abhyasam.
This is bahuvachanam. Abhyasaha will become
Abhyasan.
So the entire sentence will be
Chhatra abhyasan likhati.
Uttamam. Chhatra abhyasan likhati. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Yeah. Balika aharam khadati.
Balika aharam khadati. Sri Vidya Mahodaya.
बालिकाः आहाराः खादति बालिकाः आहारान् खादन्ति
उत्तमं बालिकाः आहारान् खादन्ति उत्तमं उषा महोदय
बालिकाः आहारं खादन्ति
बालिकाः आहारं खादन्ति उत्तमं मीरा महोदय
बालिकाः आहारान् खादन्ति
बालिकाः आहारान् खादन्ति उत्तमम् now this time let's try something different. I will give a sentence in English, convert that into Sanskrit. Narayanan Mahodaya.
शिक्षकः पाठं पठति
teacher patati is reads when teaching is पाठयति
पाठं पाठयति
शिक्षकः पाठं पाठयति और गुरुः पाठं पाठयति सेम थिंग अध्यापकः अध्यापिका it doesn't matter ekavachanam as long as we use the ekavachanam form गुरुः शिक्षकः पाठं पाठयति पठति is to read पाठयति is to teach
महोदय what is शिक्षति शिक्षति
I said शिक्षकः
शिक्षकः और शिक्षति means what
is there a word शिक्षति I don't know I will check Mahodaya probably means teaching but
punishes
maybe punishes I don't know I will check okay Shekhar Mahodaya
गुरवः पाठं पाठयन्ति
उत्तमं गुरवः पाठं पाठयन्ति गुरवः because teacher so therefore teach will become पाठयन्ति and patham because of lesson ekavachanam उत्तमम् उत्तमं
धन्यवादः
Manjula Mahodaya
Teachers teach lessons. Guravaha Patam teach again Patani. Yes.
No. Hold on. So first in your sentence when you are constructing, first convert karta. Karta is teachers. So what will that be?
Guravaha teachers, right?
Guravaha. Then add the Kriya Padam because that will determine whether it is Ekavachana or Bahuvachana. Right? We have seen karma does not affect Kriya Pada. So let us figure out what is the Kriya Pada. Teach, right?
Teach, yeah.
But Karta is in Bahuvachana. So Kriya should be in Bahuvachana.
Patayanti.
Patayanti. Guravaha Patayanti. Now let us add the Karma Padam. So lessons in Karma form will be
Patham.
Patham. Here if you look, Patham is for lesson, Ekavachanam. Bahuvachanam
is
Pathaha. Pathaha becomes Patham. Pathaha is lesson, so that will become
Pathan.
Pathan. Guravaha Pathan Patayanti.
Okay.
Uttama.
Pathan Patayanti.
So while reading and trying to understand a sentence, start with the Kriya Pada. That will help you figure out what is the Karta. Then the remaining will be Karma. But while writing, first figure out what is the Karta. That will help you figure out the Vachana for the Kriya Pada, then add in the Karma Pada. Viraj Mahoday.
Guruhu. Then teaches, teacher is a singular pullinga, so patayati. Then teaches is there, so patan.
Patayati is covered by teachers. Now,
Guru, patan, patayati.
Shekhar Mahoday, please mute yourself.
Guruhu patan patayati.
Guruhu pathan patayati. Uttamam. So, first construct the karta and the kriya. Guruhu patayati. So, Guruhu we know, so therefore it will be patayati. It will never be patayanti. So, Guruhu patayati. Done. So, then look at lessons, that is the karma pada, object. So, patham or pathaha in bahuvachanam karma padam will be pathan. Simple. Guruhu pathan patayati. Is that clear, Mahoday? Chaitra Mahoday. Mother is Janani. Let us use
Janani. Baby is Shishuhu.
Kriya. Let's do
Kriya is caresses. Sorry. Lalayati. So Janani Shishum Lalayati.
Janani Lalayati. Janani Shishum Lalayati. Uttama. Bhagya Mahoday.
Janani Shishun Lalayanti. I'm sorry, Lalayati.
Janani Lalayati. Who does the Janani Lalayati? Babies. So
Shishun Lalayati.
Janani Shishun Lalayati. Uttamam. Sandeep Mahoday.
Mothers caress the baby. So
mothers bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. So jananyaha. Jananyaha lalayanti. Jananyaha shishum lalayanti.
Shishum or Shishun? I could not hear you.
Shishum, singular. Shishum lalayanti.
Uttama. So mothers, so Janani, bahuvachanam will become Jananyaha. Karas, so we have to use the bahuvachana Lalayanti, and then baby is the karma pada Shishum ekavachana. Uttam. Is Aravind Mahodaya back? No. Prashant Mahodaya.
Mothers carries the babies. Jananya Shishun Lalayanti.
Jananyaha Shishun Lalayanti. So do it in the order I suggested, Mahodaya. You will not go wrong. Jananyaha karas, so Lalayanti. Then add the karma.
Should I repeat again?
No. I'm just saying when you are translating, first do the karta, then do the kriya, then do the karma.
Okay.
Hemanti Mahoday.
Students, so Chatraha.
Students, bahuvachanam.
Chatraha, okay. Chatraha invite Ahyati. Ahvayanti. Okay, so the students, So Chhatraha
Ahvayanti. So
Chhatraha
Chhatraha
Ahvayanti and teachers.
Then, teachers would be in karma pada.
So Chhatraha Gurum.
Gurun, Bahuvachana.
Gurun, yes. Chhatraha Gurun Avahyanti.
Uttamam. Chhatraha Gurun Ahvayanti. Uttamam. Ramu Mahodaya.
Chhatraha Gurun Ahvayati.
Chhatraha is fine. So will it be Ahvayati?
Chhatraha Guru Ahvayanti.
Chhatraha
Ahvayanti.
Whom do they Ahvayanti?
Chhatraha Ahvayanti Gurun. Teacher.
Teacher. So is it
Gurum? Gurum.
So full sentence will be
Chhatraha Gurum Ahvayanti.
Chhatraha Gurum.
Chhatraha Gurum Ahvayanti.
So this is a foolproof way of not going wrong. First, convert the karta, then identify the kriya and put the vachana for it. So chhatraha ahvayanti. Then it doesn't matter karma, because that will not affect the vachana of the kriya. And we also saw that there could be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 karma pada. So if you go chasing after karma pada first, you will go wrong. So karta, karta and kriya, and then karma. Uttamam.
Thank you.
Ranjani Mahodaya.
Student invites the teacher. Chhatra is singular, so chhatra. And invites is ahvayati. Student, so singular. And then teacher is gurum.
So entire sentence will be?
Okay, chhatra gurum ahvayati.
Chhatraha or chhatra, it doesn't matter. Gurum ahvayati. Uttamam. Rachna Mahodaya.
Chhatraha Ahvayanti. Sorry, I'm not wrong. Chhatraha Chhatra Ahvayati.
Chhatra ahvayati. Then karma pada. Is it ekavachana or bahuvachana?
Bahuvachana. So it will be Gurun.
So entire sentence will be?
Chhatra Gurun Ahvayati.
Uttamam. Chhatra Gurun Ahvayati. Uttamam.
Thank you.
Astu. So hopefully this clarifies the relationship between the vachana, karta, karma, kriya. Any doubts, any confusion?
No, I had a doubt. Not regarding the karma pada and kriya pada, about the, I have written it. Bhakta, we write, it is written as this way, to and ka.
We'll see this later, Mahodaya.
Yeah, because why? Okay.
No, that's fine. I will help you. Okay. So
can I just check something? See, we're doing this karma pada, kriya pada formation where we are using and and all that. But when you're doing location, it was a. So sometimes it's the same sentence. When do you know which to use? Like if balakaha devalayam gachati, devalaye gachati. So when do you know it's ye and when is there
that is our next topic, Mahodaya.
Oh, okay.
No, that's a good question, and it's also it causes a lot of confusion. So that is why we are spending so much time on these abhyasas. Once you get this concept, you'll make very few mistakes. Okay, we will cover what you are asking about, Mahodaya. Okay, so in the last class, we saw putra, where, right? And we saw the answer in Ekavachana. Mahavishnuhu Himalaya Parvate asti, Pakshihi Chatakaha Vrukshe asti, Bhojanam Sthalikayam asti, something like that. So things were in or on something, but that something was in Ekavachana. So let us look at that something in Bahuvachana today. So if it was Vrukshaha, we said Vrukshe when it was Ekavachana. In Bahuvachana, it is very simple. You just add shu at the end. So if Vruksheshu Phalani Santi, on the trees, fruits are there. If there was only one tree, we would have said Vrukshe Phalani Santi. That we saw last time. Vrukshe Phalani Santi. Today we are saying if there are many trees that have fruits, how do we say that? Vruksheshu. So this is absolutely easy. Just add shu to the Ekavachana form. You will get the answer for Pullinga. Kamalani kasareshu vikasanti. In the last class we saw Kamalani kasare vikasanti. There was only one pond and the lotuses were blooming in that pond. Now we want to say in many ponds lotuses are blooming. So we add shu to kasare. So it will become kasareshu. So Kamalani kasareshu vikasanti. We also saw last time Hamsaha tadage taranti. The swans swim in a lake. Tadage. Now we want to say many lakes. So we add shu to tadage. They'll become tadageshu. So Hamsaha tadageshu taranti. Balakaha vidyalayeshu pathanti. The boys read in schools. Chaitra Mahodaya, if this was only one school that the boys were reading, what would we have said? I cannot hear you, Chaitra Mahodaya.
Balakaha vidyalayeshu pathanti. Sorry, I didn't get the question.
So what does this sentence mean?
The male students are studying in schools.
In schools, many schools.
Yeah, many schools.
If you want to say only one school?
Balakaha vidyalayam pathanti.
Vidyalaye.
Vidyalaye pathanti.
So Ekavachanam will be Vidyalaye, Bahuvachanam you add shu, Vidyalayeshu, Tadage, Tadageshu, Kasare, Kasareshu, Vrukshe, Vruksheshu. Archakaha Devalayeshu Japanti. So there are priests, Devalayeshu, in many temples, they are doing Japam. So Devalayeshu, many temples. So Usha Mahodaya, if it was only one temple, how would the sentence change?
Archakaha Devalaye Japanti.
Japanti. Archakaha Devalaye Japanti. Because there are many temples, we simply add shu to Devalaye to get many temples. Devalayeshu. So this is for Pullinga. So simply add shu, shu, shu at the end of the Ekavachana form of the in or on. You will get the Bahuvachana form. We will look at, we will do Abhyasa. It will become more clear. who was the last person who answered in the previous Abhyasa? Rachna Mahodaya, right? Okay. Surendra Mahodaya.
चटकाः वृक्षे सन्ति.
Vrukshe santi, if it is ekavachanam. If it is bahuvachanam?
चटकाः वृक्षेषु सन्ति.
Uttamam. Chatakaha vruksheshu santi. Uttamam. Ami Mahodaya.
शिक्षकः गुरुकुलः पाठयति will become शिक्षकः. I'm doing ekvachan or bahuvachan?
Let's do both. It's a good abhyasa, right? Let us do.
शिक्षकः गुरुकुले पाठयति. शिक्षकः गुरुकुलेषु पाठयति.
उत्तमम्. शिक्षकः गुरुकुले पाठयति. शिक्षकः गुरुकुलेषु पाठयति. माधुरी महोदय.
Yes.
Please do this one.
आपणाः जनाः सुवर्णं क्रीणन्ति. आपणेषु जनाः सुवर्णं क्रीणन्ति.
क्रीणन्ति. आपणेषु जनाः सुवर्णं क्रीणन्ति. What does this sentence mean, Mahoday?
Don't know.
What does apana mean?
I don't know meaning of apana only. I know janaha suvarnam.
Okay. So tell me the meaning of the rest of the sentence. Janaha suvarnam krinanti.
People. Suvarnam is gold. Krinanti is
buying.
Buy.
Okay. People buy gold. Okay. Where are they buying gold? So we are in the subject of putra, where, right? So
shop.
That where is being answered by apanaha. So bahuvachana. So apaneshu. Shop. If they were buying in only one shop, what we would say?
Apane janaha suvarnam krinanti.
Uttamam. Apane, if it is one shop, apaneshu, if it was many shops. Uttamam. Kavita Mahodaya.
समुद्रेषु बहवः जलचराः वसन्ति. Jalachara is
a water creature, whatever live in water. Bahavaha means many. So samudreshu bahavaha jalacharaha vasanti. So in the ocean, many water creatures live. Uttama. So if you want to say only in one ocean, how would we say?
Samudre bahavaha jalacharaha vasanti.
Uttama. Samudre bahavaha jalacharaha vasanti.
Sorry, what is jalacharaha?
Marine creature, whatever live in the oceans, dolphins, lakes, fish, dolphins, sharks, fishes, whatever.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Bala Mahodaya is your
Jalachara means what it travels in water.
Uttamam. Jalacharaha. Whatever travels in water, that's the literal meaning. That is correct. Uttamam. Charati, we saw charati, right? Charan. So charati is moving. So jalacharaha is whatever is moving in the water is jalachara. Dhanyawada Ramu Mahodaya.
Is a submarine considered
Boat can
as
also be termed that.
Jalachara?
Boat can also be termed that way, Jalachara.
Uttamam. Astu. Bala Mahodaya, is your microphone?
Yes. Namaste.
Namaste.
बहवः नद्यः पर्वतेषु उद्भवन्ति.
बहवः नद्यः पर्वतेषु उद्भवन्ति. What does that mean, Mahodaya?
Many rivers originate in the mountains.
Uttama. Many rivers originate in the mountains. If you wanted to say only one mountain,
Parvate.
Parvate. Bhavavah nadyah parvate.
Nadyah parvate udvanti.
Udbhavanti. Udbhavanti. Nadyah, right? So udbhavanti.
Yeah, udbhavanti.
Uttama.
Dhanyawad.
Bhavani Mahodaya.
संस्कृत भारती शिबिरम ग्रामेषु चलायति.
No, chalayati. So we saw chalakaha, vahana chalakaha, vahanam chalayanti, right? So what does this sentence mean?
There are Samskrita Bharati camps in the villages.
So, okay, that's a gist, but the exact meaning of the sentence is Samskrita Bharati chalayati. So runs shibiram, a camp in many villages, grameshu. So Samskrita Bharati runs camp in villages.
Yes.
If it was only one village?
Samskrita Bharati Shibiram Grame Chalayati.
Uttama. Samskrita Bharati Shibiram Grame Chalayati. Uttama. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya.
Bhanu Mahodaya, I have a doubt.
Pruchhatu Mahodaya.
So the Shibiram, we have the ma with halanta.
It's a typing mistake. It should be Anuswar. You're right. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya. Are you there, Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya? Okay, maybe it's not there. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Bhikshukaha. Okay, we say Bahuvachan only, no?
We'll do both Ekvachanam and
Bahuvachanam. Okay. So Ekvachan Bhikshukaha Marge Atati. Bahuvachan Bhikshukaha Margeshu Atati.
Uttama. Bhikshukaha Marge Atati. Bhikshukaha Margeshu Atati. Atati means wandering about. Bhikshuka is a beggar. So a beggar wanders about many roads, or if it is Marge, on one road. Uttama. Srividya Mahodaya.
प्रकोष्ठाः दीपाः सन्ति. प्रकोष्ठे दीपाः सन्ति. एकवचनं, बहुवचनं. प्रकोष्ठेषु दीपाः सन्ति.
प्रकोष्ठे दीपाः सन्ति और प्रकोष्ठेषु दीपाः सन्ति. Do you know what this means, Mahodaya?
Prakoshte is
room.
The entrance?
In the room. Prakoshta is a room.
Lamps are there.
So prakoshteshu means in the rooms, deepaha, many lights are there.
Lamps are.
Prakoshte deepaha santi means in the room there are many lights. Uttama. Usha Mahodaya.
Nartakaha Natyalayah Nrityanti. So it should be Ekavachanam Nartakaha Natyalaye Nrityanti. Bahuvachanam Nartakaha Natyayaleshu Nrityanti.
Natyalayeshu Nrityanti. Nartakaha Natyalayeshu Nrityanti. Dancer stands in a dance hall, or Bahuvachanam, many dance halls. Meera Mahodaya.
जनाः प्रसादे तिष्ठन्ति जनाः प्रासादे तिष्ठन्ति जनाः प्रासादेषु तिष्ठन्ति
तिष्ठन्ति जनाः प्रासादे तिष्ठन्ति जनाः प्रासादेषु तिष्ठन्ति. Prasada means castle or a king's open fort, something like that.
Okay. King's
So when a king talks to all the people, right? He does the sabha, right, to hear people's problems and address them. So that is a prasadam, or it can mean a castle also where a king lives.
So Tishtanti is stand, right?
Tishtanti is stand or being there. So people are in the prasada or prasadeshu in many castles. Narayanan Mahodaya.
Tundani gaje santi. Tundani gajeshu santi.
Tundani gaje santi, tundani gajeshu santi. We did this in Ekavachana. Do you remember what the meaning is?
Tundani is the tusk is there on many elephants, or the tusk is there on the elephant?
Tusk mastu trunk.
Trunk, tunda, okay, trunk.
Uttama. Shekhar Mahodaya.
Bhagavah Bharatiyaः Videshaः Vasanti. Bhagavah Videshe Vasanti.
Ekavachanam. Bahuvachanam will be
Videshu.
You just add shu to ekavachanam form. Videshe ekavachanam.
Videshu.
So many Indians live
living in abroad.
Correct.
Foreign countries.
Uttama. Any questions on this?
Chatakaha, what is Chatakaha, Mahodaya?
Sparrow, Mahodaya. Kshanashah prapta vidya yogena susthira. We saw that last time. What does that mean, Ranjini Mahodaya?
Pranashaha? Okay, one more time, please repeat.
I'm teasing you. We saw a Subhashitam last time, right? The knowledge that you acquire in the hard way can stay with you only if you practice it. Chatakaha was in one of the first classes.
Correct, yes. I was trying to recall, going back through my book, I couldn't find it.
It's just a friendly teaching. So, is Pumlinga clear? Napumsakalinga is the same as Pumlinga. Shu. Mishranam patreshu asti. Matsyaha jaleshu sancharanti. Chalakaha vahaneshu santi. Kunchikaha taleshu santi. Pushpani udyaneshu vikasanti. Exactly the same form as Pullinga. So the beauty about Napumsakalinga is it follows Pullinga for the most part. For 80% of the cases, all these forms of Napumsakalinga are the same as Pullinga. So if you learn Pullinga, you are there as far as Napumsakalinga goes. you learned it. So the only difference will be for Strilinga. So let us first do Strilinga and then we will do Napumsakalinga. So if you wanted to say books are on the table, Ekavachana. What did we learn last time? Pustakani uttithikayam santi. Uttithikayam. In Bahuvachana, it will be uttithikasu. Ekavachana, yam. So add uttithika to that, add am for Ekavachana, asu for Bahuvachana. Shishavaha dolasu nidranti. In the previous class, which we saw, Shishavaha dolayam nidranti. The babies are sleeping in the, what do you call that?
Cradle.
Cradle. Dhanyawad. Dhanyawad. Dolayam is a single cradle, in one cradle. Dolatu is in many cradles. Nayakaha sabhatu upavishanti. So the leaders are in the sabha, in many sabhas. If it was Ekavachana, we would have said sabhayam. Sabha is Strilinga, so sabhayam Ekavachana, sabhatu is Bahuvachana. So simply take the Strilinga word. If it is Ekavachana, you want to say add yam. If it is Bahuvachana, say asu. Utpithikayam, utpithikasu. Dolayam, dolatu. Sabhayam, sabhatu. Naukaha nadishu taranti. The boats are crossing the rivers. Nadishu, on many rivers. We saw the Ekavachana form in the last time. Sandeep Mahodaya, do you remember?
Nadyam.
Nadyam. Naukaha nadyam taranti. So the boats are crossing one river. Nadishu, many rivers. Nadyam, nadishu. Vastrani, dronishu santi. What was the Ekavachana form, Mahodaya? Sandeep Mahodaya?
Dronayam.
Dronayam. Vastrani dronyam santi. That's what we learned in the last class. The clothes are in one bucket. Dronishu, in many buckets.
So here there is a difference between these two. There asu, here shu.
Here shu and here shu.
So these are all akaranta shabdas. Uttithika, dola, sabha. So you add asu. These are ikaranta shabdas. Nadi, so nadishu, droni, dronishu.
Okay, thanks.
Let us do some abhyasa, it will become clear. Viraj Mahodaya. Let us do Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. That way the Ekavachana will be a revision for us.
Stalikaha rotikaha santi is the sentence. Stalikayam will be Ekavachana Strilinga for the locative. Stalikayam rotikaha santi.
So this is akaranta, thalika. So just like utpithika becomes utpithikasu, thalika becomes thalikasu. Uttamam. Thalikasu rotikaha santi. What does that mean, Mahodaya?
On the plates, many rotis are there.
The rotis are on the plate. Uttamam. Chaitra Mahodaya.
Adhyapakaha patashalaha pathayanti. Adhyapakaha patashalayam patayanti. That would be the Ekvachana. The Bahuvachana form would be Adhyapakaha Patashalasu Pathayanti.
Uttamam. Adhyapakaha Patashalasu Pathayanti. Why? Okay, never mind. Adhyapakaha Patashalasu Pathayanti. Bahuvachanam. Adhyapakaha Patashalayam Pathayanti. Take verse. Uttamam. Manjula Mahodaya.
नायकाः सभाः उपविशन्ति नायकाः सभाः will become
So Patashalaha became Patashalasu. So we removed the Visarga and added Asu. So Sabha, we remove the Visarga.
Sabhashu, Sabhasu.
So Sabhasu, Uttamam. Nayakaha Sabhasu Upavishanti. If it was Ekavachana, instead of many Sabhas, if it was only one Sabha.
Nayakaha Sabhe Upavishanti.
Sabha is a Strilinga. Sabhe, it would have been if it was Pullinga or Napumsakalinga, but this is Sabha, Strilinga. Sabhayam.
Okay.
Nayakaha Sabhayam Upavishanti, Nayakaha Sabhasu Upavishanti. Uttam. Bhagya Mahodaya.
Ashvaha Ashvashalayam Tishtanti Ashvaha Ashtashalasu Tishtanti.
Uttamam. Ashvaha Ashvashalayam Tishtanti. The horses are in one stable. Ashvaha Ashvashalasu Tishtanti. They are in many stables. Uttamam.
Mahodaya, I have a prashna here. Nadishu, Sakara and Shakara, there is a rule when it comes, when Sha comes, when Sa comes.
We will learn it in a future class.
Mahodaya, I have one question. Sabha is a Strilinga Shabda, right? Why do we put Visarga after that? Is it Visarga has to be put?
How do you, what is the Bahuvachana of Sabha, Mahodaya?
Oh, okay, because it's a Bahuvachana. Okay.
So I'm just trying to indicate that you have to use the Bahuvachana form.
Okay, thank you.
But we are doing the Ekavachana form also because we want to get corrected. That's all.
Okay. Astu Mahodaya. Dhanyavad.
Astu. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Bhanu Mahodaya.
Yes, Mahodaya.
I'm sorry, I thought we were doing Napusakalinga Shabda. But Strilinga.
So the Napumsakalinga forms are the same as Pullinga forms, but the Strilinga forms are different. So I wanted to spend more time on Strilinga. After we do this, we will go back to Napumsakalinga. If you learn Pullinga, the Napumsakalinga are exactly the same. There is nothing new to learn there.
Thank you.
Sandeep Mahodaya.
Yeah, the Ekvachana will be Kapatikayam Dhulihi Asti. Dhulihi Asti. Bahuvachanam will be Kapatikasu Dhulihi Asti.
Uttamam. Kapatikayam Dhulihi Asti. Kapatikasu Dhulihi Asti. What does it mean, Mahodaya?
That there is dust on the cupboard or there is dust on many cupboards.
Uttamam. Prashant Mahodaya. Are you still there, Prashant Mahodaya? Okay, I don't think he's here. Hemanti Mahodaya.
Okay. Utpitikayam dhulihi asti. And Bahuvachan Utpitikasu dhulihi asti.
Uttamam. Utpitikayam dhulihi asti. Utpitikasu dhulihi asti. What does it mean, Mahoday?
There is dust on a table and there is dust on many tables.
Uttamam. Ramu Mahodaya.
मम भक्ति देव्यः अस्ति.
Devyah is the Bahuvachanam of Deva, Devyah, Devi, Devyah.
Devi.
So,
मम भक्ति देव्यम.
No, hold on. So, when it is Nadi, we saw Nadyam. Bahuvachana Nadyah, we saw Nadishu. Remember?
Nadishu.
Ikara
Ikara Strilinga Ishu.
Nadishu.
Ikara Strilinga Shu.
Shu. Uttama. So,
sorry.
So, Mama, go ahead.
Mama Bhakti Devishu Asti.
Mama Bhakti Devishu Asti. Uttamam.
Asti.
Ranjani Mahodaya.
Kupyaha jalam asti.
Kupyaha is Bahuvachana of
Kupyam.
Kupi, Bahuvachana. Kupi, Kupyaha. Nadi, Nadyah. Kupi, Kupyaha. Devi, Devyah.
Okay.
Kupyaha. So, there are many bottles. Water is there. So, we want to say water is there in many bottles. How do we say that?
Kupishu.
Kupishu. Uttam.
Jalam asti.
If it was only one bottle?
Kupyaha.
Kupyam. Kupyaha is just the Bahuvachana of a Kupi.
Kupya what? Kupya is Bahuvachana of?
Kupyaha is Kupi Bahuvachanam, right? Nadi, Nadyaha. Kupi, Kupyaha. But if you want to say in the bottle, if it is Ekvachanam, it will be Kupyam. If it is Bahuvachanam, it will be Kupishu.
Ikaranta Strilinga.
Ikaranta Strilinga. Uttamam. Rachana Mahodaya.
लेखनीः मषि अस्ति. लेखन्यां मषि अस्ति. एकवचनम. And लेखनीषु मषि अस्ति.
Uttamam. Lekhanyam mashi asti, lekhanishu mashi asti. We saw in the last class, lekhanyam mashi asti. What does it mean, Mahoday?
Mashi, lekhani is a pen.
Ink. Mashi is ink.
Okay, there is ink in the pen, and there are ink in many pens.
There is ink in many pens.
There is ink.
Surendra Mahodaya.
Malaha sutrani santi. Malayam sutrani santi.
Ekavachanam. Bahuvachanam.
Malasu sutrani santi.
Uttamam. Malayam sutrani santi. Malasu sutrani santi. Uttamam. Ami Mahodaya.
Bhanu, I had a doubt here on the sentence before. Now, Malaha, what is Ekvachan of Malaha? Like, it looks like it must be Ikaranta word.
You tell me, Mahodaya. Malaha.
It is Malika.
No. What is Chhatra, Bahuvachanam, Chhatra? Balika. Let us say even simpler one. Balika.
Balikaha.
Balikaha. So Ekavachanam Malaha will be
Malikaha.
Mala. Mala, Malaha. Balika, Balikaha. Mala, Malaha. Chhatra, Chhatraha.
It is Mala and Malaha.
Mala and Malaha.
It's a akara, not ikara.
It's Akara.
Akaranta, not Ikaranta.
Okay. Yeah. No, we moved from Ikara to Akara, and I was like, are we still stuck? I got confused.
Okay. No, so the reason is, I think up till this point, we covered many examples in Akaranta and Ikaranta. I didn't want you to get into that routine habit, so I wanted you to start thinking.
Yes.
Astu. Ami Mahoday.
So, Petikasu Panchalikaha Santi.
That is Bahuvachana. What does that mean, Mahoday?
It means there are lots of toys inside a box.
Petikasu.
Inside a box.
Boxes. Bahuvachanam.
Oh yeah, sorry.
So if it was Ekavachanam?
It would be Petikayam Chalikaha Santi.
Petikayam Panchalikaha Santi. Petikasu Panchalikaha Santi. Uttam. Kavita Mahoday.
निधानिकासु पुस्तकानि सन्ति एकवचनं निधानिकायां पुस्तकानि सन्ति
Uttamam. What does it mean, Mahoday?
Books are in the cupboard.
Or books are in one cupboard. Uttamam. Okay, I don't think we'll have time to do Napumsakalinga. We'll do it next time. And Usha Mahodaye, next time I will answer your question. When to use 1A or when to use 1A. We have the slides for it, but we ran out of time. We will cover it in the next class. Any questions? So I think we have, yes, Ami Mahoday.
Sorry, I was just trying to remember something which is in Striling. If we do Striling Akaranta ending, then it becomes in Bahuvachan, it ends in Su. If we do Striling Ikaranta, it ends in Shu. If we do Striling Akaranta Ekvachan, what does the word become?
If it was Utpitika, Ekavachanam will be Utpitikayam. Utpitikayam.
So it would be the same for Ikaranta Ekvachan?
Nadi, Nadyam. Nadi plus Am will become Nadyam. Droni plus Am will become Dronyam. For Ekavachanam, you will add Am. For Bahuvachanam, if it is Akaranta, add Asu. And if it is Ikaranta, add Shu. Actually, Su. Utpitika plus Su. Dola plus Su. Sabha plus Su. For Akaranta. For Ikaranta, add Shu. Nadi plus Shu. Droni plus Shu.
So only difference I was asking was in Akaranta, in Ekvachan, it becomes Yam. You add a Yam, and which is the same for Akaranta or Ikaranta.
Correct. Utpitikayam Nadyam. You add Yam. Correct.
There must be a table where you are giving this normally.
Who volunteered to make the table?
I will
No, I
volunteer.
think I'm writing it in my notes.
Somebody is asking for trouble.
No. So I'm surprised this class is not making tables. When I was studying all these, we used to make these tables and send it back and forth. We used to have 20 versions of the same table. I'm surprised that out of 70 students, not one person has made tables so far.
No, we have made.
Astu. So
I'll share.
Vijay Mahodaya and Ami Mahodaya have volunteered to do the tables of everything that we have covered so far and send it to the class.
Okay.
So we'll have a lot of Utpitika.
As long as there is no Uttak Baitak, that is fine.
So there will be a Utpitika on the Utpitika.
Astu. Let us stop here. Narayan Mahodaya, let's conclude with Prarthana Shloka. Everybody please meet here.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaः Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkhabhat Bhavet Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Harihi Om Shri Shyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.